Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jessie, and the video you guys are going to be seeing is on this look that I have on right now, using all drugstore products. The products that I use today, you can find them at your local drugstore, except for maybe 1 or 2 palettes that I've used in this look. Those you get them online, but other than that, everything else you can find them right at your drugstore. You can your local Ulta, CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, whatever other drugstore that there is out there. So you guys want to see how I achieved this look? Please continue to watch. So I picked up this Wet n Wild concealer. So we're gonna try this Wet n Wild concealer. See how it is. I've never tried Wet n Wild concealer before. I picked up the color Light Ivory. I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. It's a thick concealer. And then I'm just going to set that with a little bit of the setting powder. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette in Dulce Leche. I'm going to use the light color and just put that on my eyelids, just so that way it makes the eyeshadow easier to blend. Now I'm going to go in with the Brow Stylist Definer by Loreal, and I have the color Brunette. Now I've been trying to let my eyebrows grow in for the longest time, so they're still trying to get fuller. So I'm going to go in with the Athena palette by Bad Habit that I picked up on Shop Wish. And I'm going to go in with my, for my transition shade, I'm going to mix Purity and Truth. These two colors right here. I'm going to just mix them a little bit, just so I can use that as my transition. The Truth is kind of dark, but I feel like the Purity is a little too light, so I'm kind of going to mix them together. Now I'm going to go in with the color Valor, which is this peachy, like pink color right here. And I'm going to go in with Justice, which is this purple color. And I'm going to put that in my crease. I just go a little bit at a time so I can build up the color. Now I'm going to go in with the color Power, which is like this brick red color. Now I'm going to take that concealer again, and I'm going to do a half halo on my eye. I'm sorry, not a half halo, a half cut crease. And I'm using the Morphe brush, the B19 brush, to do this. Now I'm just going to take a regular brush and take some of that Purity color and just put it over this, just to seal it. Perfect. Now I'm going to use the color Wisdom, the color Wisdom, in the middle, and then towards the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this light color called Epic. So let's go in with the Wisdom first, which is like that deep, it's like a deep shimmer color, deep purple. I'm gonna put this out here. And now I'm gonna go in with the color Epic, which is this pretty like iridescent purple color, light baby purple. I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner with a little bit more of that Justice color. I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of the brown, which is a Clever, just to deepen it up a little bit. Looks like it really didn't do much. I'm gonna use this Morphe palette here. This is the 15N palette. And I'm gonna go in with this deep purple right here that is called Scene. Maybe that will deepen the purple that I'm looking for. I'm looking for this like deep purple and it's not giving it to me. There you go. Now we're talking. There you go. Look at all this fallout, Lord. Let's just sweep away a little bit of that fallout. Now we're talking. Just with a clean brush, buff that out over here. I'm gonna take a little bit of Purity on this brush and just bring it up here. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. I feel like I want that Epic color to pop a little bit more. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Wet n Wild setting spray. I'm gonna put it on the top of my hand here, just a little spritz, and I'm going to take a flat brush and wet the flat brush with it, and then dip it again in that Epic to see if it could make that iridescent purple just pop just a little bit more. Oh, there you go. Yes, I wanted to make it more like a foil look. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to move on to the base of our face, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer here. Prime my face with that. For my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Buff Bisque. I just picked this up today because I felt like the other Wet n Wild foundation I had made me look a little too warm. It just, I don't know, my skin tone with it, I wasn't feeling it. So I'm gonna try this one. This is more of a neutral base coat, has a little applicator. And just put this on our face. Let's try, I'm gonna go in with my sponge. See, I like this foundation color a lot better than the other one that I had. Yeah, I like this color better. Okay. Now going in with the same concealer, the Photo Focus Concealer by Wet n Wild. And let's do my under eye. Okay. I like it. Looks good. I'm gonna take clear eyebrow gel and just brush my eyebrows into place, because I feel like with the foundation brush and patting it and all that kind of whacked out my eyebrows a little bit. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, the Wet n Wild contouring palette that I have here in Dulce Leche, and I'm just going to use that ivory color here just to set it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna try out this LA Girl Pro Conceal here. And what is this color? Beautiful Bronze. So let's see this color here. Let me blend this side first, just in case I don't like it. See how it looks. Okay. It dries pretty quick. Wow. That is, that's a strong contour. Oh. Okay. All right, let's continue. Let's see if stuff dries quick. I like it. Very pigmented. I don't know if I've ever had my contour this strong, but whatever, we'll try it, right? It's what we do here. We test out products. When I look in the monitor, it just looks like I have this dark chocolate on my face, like I rubbed milk chocolate on my face. Well, a little goes a long way with this product. A little goes a long way. So be gentle with it, because it is very strong. Okay, that's not so bad. Let me use this with my sponge and just kind of clean that up here. Let's definitely bake this over here. Okay. We're good. Do blush. The NYX Hamptons blush. And for my highlight, I picked up this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the color Golden Flower Crown, which is this color right here. It's like a very nice gold shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. You see that? Oh, I like that. Let's finish our eyes. Oh, you know what? Before we finish our eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of the brown in here in the contour palette on a big fleshy brush just to set that contour down here, the brown, and up here. just a little bit because that's already brown as it is. I don't need to make it darker. I just wanted to set it a little bit. And let's brush off what we did to bake it. Okay, so to finish our eyes, I'm going to go in with the Athena palette again. And I'm gonna go in with the Justice, the purple, the Justice color. Bringing that all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to go into that Morphe 15N palette, and I'm going to go in with that dark purple, and I'm just going to put that right next to our waterline, very tight up in there. Use that brush that we used before with the light purple and just blend that out and smoke it out into the rest. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner, which is like almost down to nothing, in black, and we're gonna do our waterline with that. So the mascara I'm using today is the Maybelline Big Colossal in Shyla. And I'm just going to use this to coat my lashes. Just like one little coat because we're going to do some falsies. So the lashes I'm using today are my Lash in the style Classic. Take them out of here. I got these at TJ Maxx. They were like $3. They're really pretty. So these are the lashes. These are the Classic. So for my lips, I didn't want anything too crazy, so I just took a makeup wipe here and I just kind of took off the foundation that I had on my lips. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline Shine Shot Lip Gloss in the color Prismatic. Just to give my lips a little sheen. That is it. So, as you can see, basic, nothing too crazy, nothing expensive either. Everything here was under $12 for each item. I think the most expensive thing was the Athena palette that I got on Shop Hush, which was $12. Everything else was pretty much Wet n Wild or NYX LA Girl. Very, very inexpensive. I will have a link down below with everything that I used, and that way if you guys want to check it out, you're more than welcome to. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Before I finish, let me set my hair, oh Jesus, let me set my face with some Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray, and voila, we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, if you guys have any questions or maybe an idea for another video you guys would like to see on my channel, please put it down on the comments below and I will read them. I try to answer all of you guys as best as I can. I might not get to answer all of you, but I try to answer your questions and your comments as best as I could or as fast as I can. So you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and you guys take care. Bye.